How to set Google Form link to WhatsApp in mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can send Google Form link to WhatsApp in mobile. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is head over to the Google form. After you're on the Google form, let me just change this, just name this. You can start creating your Google form now. You can start asking questions. And after you finally create a Google form that you simply, is ready to now share, what you can then do is start with sharing. So sharing your Google form in WhatsApp is really simple. All you have to do is just publish your Google form. Tap on the three dots here. If you see a publish button, you can tap on publish. And all you now have to do is tap on the share icon right here. You'll see this option. Tap on the publish option. After you tap on publish, you can always copy the link here. Copy the link. Let me zoom out a bit. After you've copied your link, you can then publish your form. And after the form's been published, it can take some time, but let it do its thing. And finally, after it's been published and you've copied the link for it, just head over to your form or WhatsApp. So what you can do is always tap on this option, copy the link from here. You can shorten the URL as well. Let me copy that. And after doing that, you cannot actually directly share it to WhatsApp. You'll have to go to WhatsApp. And now when you're on WhatsApp, go to anyone that you want to share it to. Long press on the text bar and you'll find a paste option. Simply paste the link. Let me copy the link again since it's not working. Let me just go back here. Copy the link again. And come back here and then paste it and then share it. And doing that, you can just send the Google form link to WhatsApp. And it's that simple. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.